Today we are going to make a video about such a bird which many people keep as a pet in their home. But there are some important facts about it which we do not know well. So today you watch our full video and know its important facts. Parrots, known for their vibrant plumage and remarkable intelligence, lead fascinating lives that captivate the interest of bird enthusiasts and researchers alike. These colourful birds belong to the order Psittaciformes, which includes around 393 species found mainly in tropical and subtropical regions. Their habitats range from rainforests and savannas to alpine regions and even urban areas. This essay delves into the various aspects of parrot life, including their natural habitats, social structures, diet, communication, reproduction, and conservation status. Parrots are primarily distributed in regions such as Central and South America, Africa, Asia, and Australasia. They thrive in diverse environments, from dense rainforests to open woodlands and savannas, for instance. The Amazon rainforest is home to a myriad of parrot species, including macaws and amazons, which rely on the dense canopy for food and shelter. In contrast, the Australian outback is inhabited by species like the cockatiel and galah, which have adapted to arid conditions. Urban areas have also become a refuge for some parrot species, like the monk parakeet, which builds large communal nests on man-made structures. Parrots are highly social birds, often living in flocks that can range from a few individuals to hundreds. These flocks provide safety in numbers, reducing the risk of predation, and facilitate the sharing of information about food sources. Within these social structures, parrots exhibit complex behaviors such as cooperative breeding, where multiple individuals help raise young, and allopreening, which strengthens social bonds and helps in grooming hard-to-reach areas. Parrots are known for their playful nature, engaging in activities that appear to be recreational, such as swinging from branches, playing with objects, and performing acrobatic maneuvers. This play behavior is not only crucial for their physical health, but also for cognitive development. Parrots have a diverse diet that primarily consists of seeds, nuts, fruits, buds, and other plant materials. Some species, like the key of New Zealand, have an omnivorous diet that includes insects and carrion. Their strong, curved beaks are adapted for cracking open hard shells and accessing difficult-to-reach food sources. Parrots also use their zygodactyl feet, with two toes pointing forward and to backward, to grasp and manipulate food with great dexterity. Feeding habits vary significantly among species. For instance, macaws are known to consume clay from riverbanks, a behavior thought to help detoxify their diets by neutralizing harmful substances found in some seeds and fruits. This geophagy highlights the adaptability and resourcefulness of parrots in meeting their nutritional needs. Parrots are renowned for their exceptional vocal abilities, with some species capable of mimicking human speech and a variety of other sounds. Their vocal repertoire includes a range of calls used for communication within flocks. such as contact calls to keep the group together, alarm calls to warn of predators, and mating calls to attract partners. Parrots also use body language, such as feather ruffling, head bobbing, and wing flapping, to convey their emotional states and intentions. The capacity for vocal mimicry in parrots, particularly in species like the African grey parrot and the budgerigar, is linked to their high intelligence and social nature. This ability not only aids in social bonding but also plays a role in their learning and problem-solving skills. Parrots typically form monogamous pairs, with many species bonding for life. Breeding seasons vary depending on the species and their habitat, but generally occur during times of abundant food supply. Nesting sites range from tree cavities and burrows to cliffs and man-made structures. Some species, like the monk parakeet, build elaborate communal nests that house multiple breeding pairs. Parrots lay clutches of eggs that are incubated by the female, while the male provides food. Both parents often participate in feeding and caring for the chicks once they hatch. Parrot chicks are altricial, meaning they are born blind, featherless, and helpless, requiring extensive parental care. The lifespan of parrots varies widely among species. Smaller parrots, like budgerigars, may live for 5 to 10 years, while larger species, such as macaws and cockatoos, can live for several decades, with some individuals reaching over 60 years in captivity. This longevity is attributed to their relatively slow metabolism and low predation rates. Many parrot species are threatened by habitat loss, climate change, and the illegal pet trade. Deforestation, agriculture, and urbanization have led to significant declines in suitable habitats, especially in tropical regions. Climate change also poses a threat by altering habitats and food availability. The illegal pet trade has had a devastating impact on wild parrot populations. Despite international regulations, such as those enforced by the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora sites, poaching remains a significant problem. Captive breeding programs and conservation efforts by organizations like the World Parrot Trust aim to protect endangered species and their habitats. Parrots are extraordinary birds that exhibit a wide range of behaviors and adaptations that enable them to thrive in diverse environments. Their intelligence, social structures, and ability to communicate make them unique among avian species. However, they face significant threats from human activities, and concerted conservation efforts are essential to ensure their survival. By understanding and appreciating the complex lives of parrots, we can better appreciate the need to protect these vibrant and intelligent creatures for future generations. If you want to see more videos related to wildlife, then please subscribe our channel, share and press the bell icon to get informative videos. Thanks for watching.